Labs. In this video, we're going to be creating one individual order. What we want to do is click into our Orders tab on the left-hand panel. And then on the top right of the screen, we want to select Create Order. Here, we're going to select the account in which the order will live under, and then enter in the order details. PO number, sales order and freight tracking are optional, and then the customer's name. Here, then we can add the customer's address. If the address begins to pre-populate, you can click it and you see that it'll add the city, state, and zip. Next, we need to determine the customer's contact information. We need at least one mobile number inside of this field. Email and secondary phone number are optional. Then below, when we reach our line items, we'll begin to build out our order. The first thing we start with is the quantity, the SKU, the item name, the weight, the vendor name, and then we need to determine, are we picking this up from the vendor or manufacturer or only handling the last mile on pre-delivery? Here I'm going to select last mile and I'm going to add this item. And then you can proceed to add other items to the order should you need to. Then we're going to hit next. We'll receive our order summary. We can determine if we want pre-inspection handled on our order. We can select the service levels and then book our order. Now, once you book your order, you can see Grasshopper has generated the order number. That's how you create an order in Grasshopper.